me feel bad. Whatever, you want it back so damn much. Pay him back what the bread was worth!
What are you doing? Hey! There's a situation over here if you hadn't noticed! Get off your drunk asses! Oh, come on. They're just kids being kids. Let them work it out. They're demolishing my stall! This, ain't our thing. Let's wait for someone more qualified to come along and sort it out. Huh?
Aaron! Eat this Mikasa! I've got this! What are you doing?
Aaron, you need to go home and chop wood. You want your mom to get angry?
You little... Now it's a fight! You It's okay! She can handle it! Let go!
Oh, nice one. Don't let her do all the work. What was that for? Don't cheer the little bastards on, damn freeloaders! Freeloaders? Did you just call us freeloaders? Hey, if the shoe fits, shove it up your ass! You son of a... Hey, he's got a point, you know. That's some right arm. Stop it right now! What the hell is wrong with you? Act like adults!
Damn it!
That's enough!
Uh-oh! Hey guys! This is getting kind of serious! Screw this! We're out of here!
Get back here!
Where do you think you're... Oh, Aaron! I don't care about the stupid bread! Let it go!
That's enough. We're going back home right this instant.
Like hell! Go without me!
Aaron,